Well, ChatGPT came out with a fantastic upgrade today, and I can see where this is going to take us closer and closer to what people call agents, where things are working without us interfering. They call it tasks. And what these tasks are things that you can tell ChatGPT to do, let's say once a week, once a month, or you can do a custom schedule and it will perform the task you ask it to do on that schedule and send you an email, put it right into ChatGPT. And if you allow it, it will also put a pop up on your desktop. So it's really kind of cool. So you could say, send me a motivational quote and remind me to check my top 3 to do items today, every day, right after lunch. And at 1 o'clock, that would happen every single day. And it's going to send you a different motivation post. It might search and put it up there. It could be as involved as searching the web, finding 5 blog posts, and writing up a report about what's new in your niche that day or that week, which would be really cool as well. And that's one of the things I'll be doing because keeping up with AI can be really tricky. Well, the third thing is something really simple. This was the first use case I came up with. I run a school community. I'm soon going to be running 2 school communities. And what I find is, as a former teacher, I know how important it is to really nurture my clients in a way that will help them to get to know each other, really become curious about the content, help them think outside of the box, learn how to contribute as a team within my community so that I'm not the sole teacher there. And I'm really excited about doing it. And yet, because it's such a simple task, I keep forgetting. So I thought, well, what if I write a little prompt, and we'll do this with my very first task, and have it send me a reminder every Tuesday and Thursday to post a community engagement post in my school account. And not only that, but I want it to actually write the post for me, send me 2 every Tuesday so that I can look at them and decide on one that I want to use, and send me an email or reminder every Thursday with the same thing, with 2 more examples, and we're ready to go. So let's dive in. I thought it would be really fun to build this together. So first thing you're going to want to do is when you log in, you'll see ChatGPT 4.0. And when you click down on your model, you can choose the one that says selected tasks. Now, what I like to do is I will write the prompt so that I actually get the output I'm wanting it to send to me or do on a schedule. I want it to do today so I can test the work and make sure that my prompt is really effective. So we'll see how this goes. ChatGPT has been having a lot of errors today, probably because of all these upgrades, but I pre-wrote the prompt just to save us some time. And a lot of credit goes to Evelyn. This is based on Evelyn Weiss's model for how she grows her community. And this whole idea of creating some of these community building posts, and some of the verbiage here you'll notice does come directly from her. And I definitely want to give her credit for that because it's worked very well in my free Facebook group as well as in my school group to build engagement. All right, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to paste this prompt in, and I'll put this, I can put that Google Doc right in the comments above or below this video. All right, and so we've got this, and it created 2 posts. So what's the best advice you've ever received? Show us your workspace. Here are 2 that work really well. And I always ask for it to give me an image or a GIF search term because I love the GIFs in school and I think it grabs people's attention. So I've got this thing. Is this an action item? Is it something they should be doing? So I don't know if you want that or not. Sometimes I like it to be more specific. All right. And so now I'm ready. I can post one of these, but I don't have the actual task set up yet. So when you get this to work the way you want, you've got 2 good posts, create this into a task. I want this task. We just got to tell it when. Performed every Tuesday and Thursday morning. Okay, and let's show you what this is going to look like. So you're prompting this exactly the same as you would prompt ChatGPT. It is super, people were trying to overcomplicate it. I was looking at comments on Facebook and I'm like, nope, you just tell it. So I thought I'd make you a quick video. Okay, so it created the tasks. It titled it. Next run is tomorrow, which would make sense because I said Tuesday and Thursday. I'm recording this on a Wednesday. The 16th is a Thursday. And if you want to be able to edit this task, you just hit the three dots. Hit edit. It wrote the instructions for me. It's got a custom schedule because if it's just once a week or once a month, there are drop downs that you could choose if you want to just create a task, but this one is custom because it's twice a week. So if I want to change it, that does mean I need to go back to that chat. This is great, and I'm all happy with that. Now, what's going to happen is tomorrow morning, I'm going to get an email. That email will be linked right back to this chat. This chat will have executed the prompt already, and it will be here and ready for me. I've got an email reminder, and I will get a pop-up reminder on my computer as well. So it works really, really well, and it's a lot of fun to think through. And I would love for you to comment below and tell me, how are you going to use this to simplify your business, take some of the mental strain out, and make things easier for yourself? All right, I can't wait to learn how you're using it so we can brainstorm some great ideas. Talk soon.